It is time to go back to the curls. I've had a silk press for 2 weeks now, and I am just so excited to finally wear my curly hair. And it's so funny because when your hair is curly, you want it straight, but then when it's straight, you want it back curly. I don't know, guys, but let's just hop right into this. Hey guys, so I've had my hair straightened for about 2 weeks now, and it was so fun, straightening your hair, switching up your look because my hair is always curly, and this was my first time straightening my hair in over 2 years. But I miss my curls, and my hair and scalp needed some moisture, so I'm just combing my hair out before I get ready to wash. My hair is pretty much detangled already, but I just like to comb it out first. So let's go ahead and hop in the shower, and I always start off with using lukewarm water. I do like my water temperature to be pretty warm, not hot, of course, but just to start off, just to, revert my curls, get my curls back. I just want to fully saturate my scalp and my hair with this lukewarm water. So I'm starting off with this Suavé almond and shea butter moisturizing shampoo, and I absolutely love this shampoo. This has always been one of my go-to staple shampoos. It's so moisturizing, but it still leaves your hair feeling clean and soft. I just love it. So I'm just applying that straight to my scalp and really focusing on my scalp just to ensure that my scalp is getting really clean, and I'm lifting up any like edge control and oils. And then I'm just going to wring that shampoo down the lengths of my hair because shampoo is a cleansing agent, guys. So it's going to clean your hair. You don't have to really do like the shampoo commercials and lather it all on top of your head like all crazy. So I'm just wringing the shampoo down the lengths of my hair and being gentle, It's going to clean your hair anyways. So I'm just rinsing this all out and making sure it's a thorough rinse. I want to make sure that my scalp and my hair is super clean and there's no leftover shampoo. So now I'm going to take this Fenty Hair, the Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner, and I love this conditioner as well, guys. It leaves my hair feeling so soft and moisturized. So I'm going to do like a lot of pumps of that and make sure my hair is fully saturated in this conditioner, and then go ahead and wrap it up and leave that on for about 5 minutes. So it's about 5 minutes later, and I'm just going to go ahead and rinse this conditioner out of my hair, and you can just see how shiny my hair looks, and it also feels very soft. I really love this conditioner. Rihanna, she did her big one with these products. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take the Fenty Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner, and this deep conditioner is also so bomb. It leaves my hair feeling so soft, and it smells so good. So I'm just going to take a generous amount of that deep conditioner and apply that all throughout my hair. I want to make sure all of my hair is fully coated in this deep conditioner, and I'm also using my fingers to like detangle a little bit because it did get a little tangled as I was washing, and I'm just using this brush to go ahead and evenly distribute all of that product through my hair because I want this to be a really intense, good, deep conditioning, guys. My hair needed some moisture so bad. So I'm just going to put a deep conditioning cap on and leave that on for about 15 minutes. So after about 15 minutes, I'm just going to thoroughly rinse my hair with warm water, and I'm going to make sure I'm scrubbing my scalp just to make sure I'm lifting up all that deep conditioner and it's fully rinsed out. So for my final rinse, I like to use freezing cold water, guys. That's why I'm kind of leaning to the side. This is just going to seal the shafts of your hair, reducing frizz, and it helps define your curls. So now that my hair is freshly washed, it's time to style. So I like to work in sections. So I section my hair off first, and then I'm going to take this Cantù avocado oil, honey, and marshmallow refresher spray. And I just love how lightweight this is, and it smells so good. So I just sprayed that all throughout my hair, and I'm just using this wide tooth comb to comb it out. So now I'm going to take this Puremajik Naturals scalp and hair strengthening oil blend, and I love this hair growth oil. It's made with 7 organic oils. It's so bomb, and it's lightweight, so it's not like a super thick or heavy oil. And I've been using this oil for about 3 years now, and when I tell you it has grown and thickened my hair so much, I just love to do scalp massages with it. It's really everything. So now I'm going to take this Rizos Curls curl defining cream, and I used to use this curl defining cream years ago, and I recently seen it in Ulta, and I was like, oh my god, I used to love this stuff, so I had to get it again. And I'm just applying it all throughout the lengths of my hair, and this stuff smells smells so good, y'all. So now I'm taking this small tooth comb and I'm just combing that product all throughout my hair. And then I'm going to take this curl defining brush. And guys, I'm going to have this product and all the other products I used in this whole video linked down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out. But this brush is literally made for curly hair and helping to define our curls. A little curl fell out, but it's okay. It's going to curl up anyways. And I'm just going to go back in with that Cantù refresher spray and move on to the next section and literally repeat the same process throughout my whole head. I'm going to take the Puremajik Naturals hair growth oil and go ahead and apply that to the lengths of my hair and to my scalp. And after applying the oil to my scalp, I like to always give myself a little scalp massage because this just helps with blood circulation to the scalp, which also helps with hair growth. Now I'm taking a little more of that curl defining cream and applying that to the lengths of my hair and taking my curl defining brush to brush that through and define my curls. And my curls look so good, guys. I don't have any heat damage because that whole 2 weeks that I had my hair straightened, I only applied heat to my hair one time after it got done, you know. So, and the heat that I applied, it was on like 350 degrees. I never put my flat irons high. So my curls definitely came back nice and beautifully. And I'm just repeating this same process throughout my whole head, guys. So I'm just spraying the front section of my hair down with some water before applying my product because the front section started to dry a little bit as I was doing the back. This does take me about 45 minutes for this whole process. Luckily, my hair was straightened, so the detangling process wasn't so long and annoying how it usually is because that alone usually takes me like 45 minutes to an hour. But like I said, my hair was straight, so I didn't have to detangle, so that made this whole process a little bit quicker. But guys, look how defined my curls look. They look so good. So I'm just finishing this last section. I always save like my bang area for last. I just feel like, I don't know, that's like the best part, like your bang. Your curls got to be popping. So now that my hair is pretty much styled, I'm going to go ahead and just wait for it to dry, which takes about 5 to 6 hours. But guys, my curls look so moisturized and defined. My hair was literally begging for this moisture. But you already know I like to do my edges, so I'm going to go ahead and swoop my edges. And I know some people don't like the swooped edge look, but I love it. And I'm just going to take this Puremajik Naturals Repairing Edge Control Gel. And this is made with biotin, aloe vera, castor oil, peppermint oil, and rosemary. And not to mention the hold is so strong. Like, I went to bed with my edges and woke up with my edges. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, this edge control gel has really good hold. I absolutely love it. So I'm just swooping my edges and doing my little thing, you know. But now that my hair is fully styled, we just have to wait for it to dry. But guys, look at how defined the curls came out. Like, I'm just loving how this wash and go came out already. So I'm going to wait about 5 hours and I will be back once my hair is fully dried. So it's about 6 hours later and my hair is fully dry and my curls are looking good and luscious and defined, but I feel like my hair needs to be bigger. We need a little more volume. So to create more volume, I just like to take my curls and break them apart because the curls naturally clump together when it's wet and brushed with product in it. So I also like to tilt my hair to each side and just taking my fingers and running it through my hair and along my scalp, which also creates more volume along the scalp and just gives the hair a bigger look. And guys, I just feel like the longer my hair gets, the less volume it has. Maybe because, like, I don't know, the length is causing more weight on the hair, so it's getting a little flatter. I don't know, but when my hair was shorter, it has so much volume, but the longer it gets, the flatter is looking. I don't know, maybe I'll get some layers, I don't know, but whatever. I'm loving how this wash and go came out, and if you like it too, leave a comment down below or give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with a friend, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Mwah.